What's up, everybody, and welcome to another week of the #1 show on television island-wide. My name is Pree, and this week we're in halfway through. But guess what? In this week's show, we have Itana. We have an exclusive with the strong one herself from when the Pree Dis team went and take over Miami. But guess what? Same entertainment, same lifestyle, all day on the show. My name is Pree, and keep it locked. You're watching Pree Dis. So we're in halfway through, and my name is Pree, and you are watching Pree Dis, the #1 show in the Caribbean. Now we kick off this week's entertainment with highlights from the greatest Jamaican Jerk Festival at Markham Park in Miami. Now, of course, our team was there to get the whole feature. You weren't. Watch this highlight right now. Pree Dis.
One more year on the boga them. Them not gonna live to see we broke again. We get the wings them, so we not stuck again. That's the bad mind out and look again. Now some hard work we put in, and them a block the door. Never want me put a foot in, but
the organizer of the event invited us to the one in New York. And then it was such a fantastic event. We came here, heard about the one in Miami. It's much bigger, and it was mind-blowing because, you know, it's 10 times the size of the one in New York. And it's been an amazing atmosphere. The people, the food, the chefs. You know, I've been here all day, and I've just had a wonderful time. It's really great here in Miami. It's perfect weather. It's like a second Jamaica. The culture itself is very strong. The brand is very strong. I think events like this help people to get a taste of it. And the taste, I think, is what lingers even longer in the minds of these people.
No man can't try take what after me. Hey. So big up, big up, and all who not forget big up, chuck off. Yeah. And me talk that big and serious, and no smiley face, no laugh. Yo, how long we are wings and away? Food in a plate, kick off the gate. See them smile turn upside down. Now that we money can't done, that's why we are drink and a rave, drink and a rave, drink and a rave. We are drink and a rave. We are shell the bar, shell the bar. Me and my friend them a superstar. We are blast it out, blast it out. We no fear dirty mind and nasty mouth. We are drink and a rave, drink and a rave. I'm a young and a rave. We are drink and a rave. See me friend them pour a cup to him. Me real friend I got no.
This year again, you know, we're doing jerk shrimp and manish water. You know, every year we do jerk shrimp out here, and we get a good response from the crowd, and we appreciate it. So we have a big up jerk festival every year, you see me? It was good, I can't complain. The crowd was here, everybody enjoyed themselves, as you can see. We no stop work, you know, so we can't complain.
And you will be back next year?
Definitely, can't miss it. Last 5 years been here, not missing it.
Well, it is very, very, very nice. Well attended. I cannot imagine. And the food here is excellent, excellent. And as you can see, the people and the line, amazing.
Still on foods, remember you're watching Pree Dis, and the finals of the CB Pan Chicken Championship will take place on November 24th. Just in case you want some more information, listen up to Alicia Bogue, the brand manager of CB Chicken. She has some more information and she's going to fill us in right now. CB Pan Chicken finals.
The 2013 CB Pan Chicken Championship Grand Final will be held on Sunday, November 24th, downtown Kingston, Ocean Boulevard. This year we rolled out 2 new locations for our regional eliminations. We went to Mandeville, and then we went to Portmore, and we went back to Dump Up Beach in Montego Bay. All 3 were a huge success. Despite inclement weather, people came out to support. It was a great family fun-filled day. Pan chicken at its best. And now we have 26 men and women to vie for the coveted title. So the CB Pan Chicken Championships never disappoints, and this year for our grand final, we will have a jam-packed entertainment lineup. We have Miss Kitty, we have Jenny, Kevin Downswell, iOctane, and Taurus Riley. And of course, we have our extensive Kiddies Village, face painting, clowns, fire dancers, you name it. The winner of this year's series will go home with a whopping 500,000 plus in cash and prizes, and of course a coveted trophy of CB Grand Champ. The best thing about this is that all of this is free. Admission is free, so come out, bring your family, and enjoy the day. We want to thank Grace Tomato Ketchup, National Baking Company, Rainforest Seafoods, Walker's Wood, Digicel, Pepsi, Tropicana Tropics, Red Stripe, Housekeeper Aluminum Foil, Naps Napkin, Purell, and the list goes on. So make sure you come out to the 2013 CB Pan Chicken Championship Grand Final on Sunday, November 24th, Kingston, downtown waterfront.
I know you've been enjoying the show so far. We go for a short commercial break. When we get back, the strong one, Itana, performs at the Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival. We'll see you forward. Keep it locked.